What's up everybody, D'Angelo here. So I got a lot of positive feedback on the last video I made about the CPA making 1,000 plus a week, and a lot of people was wondering how you would post on Facebook. Okay, so what I tell my Team D'Angelo members is that your first things first, no matter what you're promoting on Facebook, your Facebook profile has to be nice. Okay, so you're probably wondering why that is, because if you're posting in groups, it shouldn't matter. Well, what's the first thing that, if you're in a group or you're looking at something, what's the first thing you do? You click that person's Facebook profile. Now, what if you go to their profile and it says something about, oh, I lost money, or I'm broke, or, basically in your post on the group, you're saying how you're making money, and on your post, and on your profile, you're talking about how you're broke and your lights are cut off and you're about to lose your phone bill. Your phone service is about to get cut off or something like that. You're going to lose sales because your profile doesn't match your post. You want to always make sure that it matches the post no matter what. So you want to make sure you got a lot of engagement too. You want to make sure you're getting likes. You want to make sure you're getting comments. And to make your comments, to make your post higher on the news feed, you always want to tag people. Whenever someone comments info, you want to go down here, do the little @ sign, and you want to tag whoever said it. Unless you get like a ton of comments, sometimes it just gets, like if you get like just a ton of them, you just put info to all. But if you're caught up and everything like that, you want to just make sure you're doing that like this, so that way it looks like there's more comments on the post. So for every person that comments, you're basically going to get 2. So if I would have did it for everyone, I probably have over 100 comments on this post. Okay, so you want to make sure that you're doing that. You want to have payment proofs on your Facebook page. You want to have, basically when you go to your page, let's say if you were someone else, if you go to this page, you want to be able to sell yourself. You want people to sell themselves on your page. Or you don't have to post fake pictures or anything like that. You want to be creative and sell. You want to have people sell themselves. Like here, how I have training so easy, even a monkey can do it. And I just have the Team D'Angelo business card and some money from the ATM, and a little bit that I had on me, just poured on a monkey, and then that's it. That's all there is to it. Now the picture's got almost 500 likes, and then I got a link right here that goes to a CPA offer. So, yeah, it's really simple, guys. You can make a lot of money doing this stuff. It's not hard, but your Facebook does have to be somewhat decent. You want to make sure you're posting pictures about money or something. It's your Facebook. Don't be scared of what other people think, what other people are going to say. Because, if someone says something that you don't like on your post, that's why they have a block button. You want to get rid of everyone who says something negative. You don't want to argue with these people. You want to simply tell them goodbye, have a wonderful day, and just block them. Because then after they're all gone, all you're going to have is just people who are interested in trying to make their life better. So you definitely want to do that. All right. So once you got your Facebook set up and your Facebook profile looks good and everything, you can do manual posting, so whichever you prefer. I prefer to use Ninja Blaster, and I use this right here. So I got this all set up, and then I basically just got it running. Okay, so I don't have to do anything. It's an auto poster. It's $10 a month, or you can just do what I did and just buy it yearly. It's only $60 for that. So, or you can just spend, I forgot how much it was, but it's like got yeah, I don't see it on here, but there's like some unlimited plan where you spend like, I think it's $100 or something like that, where you never have to pay again. Okay, so, but yeah, it's a really good tool. It'll be in the description if you want to use it. But yeah, all it does is just post for you. So it's just gonna, as you can see right here, post 119 times, and I keep my posts extremely simple. Extremely simple. Fast money and a link. Thousands and a link. The more you have on here, if you want targeted people, the more you post on here, the more things you have down here. So if I have this and 18 plus and must do this and must do that and must do this and that and this, okay, you're going to be looking for more targeted people, so don't expect to have people, a lot of people. If you have like a lot of things on your post, the more you have on there, the more targeted it is for people. Like normally I'll have an entire like super long message if I'm looking for just like a selective few people. So like out of 200, like out of 120 posts, I probably get like 10 people out of that, all those posts. Okay. But yeah, guys, so then if you're gonna do it manually, you're just gonna simply go to groups. So you would just go in the groups and you would just post manually if you're not gonna use the software, the Ninja Blaster or some other software. And you're just gonna come in and you're just gonna make a post. So what I would do for my CPA, since you're in a work from home group, like I said, now it depends, just like I said in my last video, on what you're going to be promoting. So it's completely up to you if you're going to be using skincare or if you're going to be using biz ops like me. That's pretty much all I use. Then that's what you're going to do. I mean, you're going to work posting groups from that's inside your niche. Now I use business, and that's pretty much it, just straight biz ops. That's all I'm about, is just making money online. So I just promote those just like that. Okay, so then you're gonna, you will make your ad right here, and you would click post, and you would just have a link to your landing page. Now again, just like I said in the last video, you do not want to send people directly from Facebook to your offer. Even if it says social media provided or allowed or whatever, you don't even want to take the chance, because it depends on some networks. They will get really picky about that, and then they'll ban you, block you, whatever it is. You want to be on the safe side and send them directly. I mean, not send them directly to the offer. You want to make sure you send them to your landing page first. The same thing if you're using paid ads, because Facebook doesn't like that at all. So you want to make sure that you're sending them to your landing page and things of that nature first. So then that's basically it. Like, so now that I got this run, this is basically autopilot money. I mean, as you can see, since I've been made this video, it's done post about 2 or 3 times. So I mean, it's not hard, guys. It's really easy money. You can easily make a couple thousand a week off this, depending on if your traffic, if your posts are good, or eye-catchy, your photos matter as well. I always use a picture of me holding money. Like, I'll go to the ATM, take off, probably about $1,000, and then just take a picture with the Team D'Angelo logo. Like, as you can see right there, it's about $600. Take a picture right there, and then have something printed off on the computer. And that's about it. I mean, it's that simple, guys, and just simply let it run. I mean, it's not difficult to make money online. Is it more to it than copying and pasting? Yes. If you try to go here and put in an offer from Cash Network or Max Bounty or Peerfly or something like that, or XY7, whatever it is, it's 9 out of 10 is not going to let you even post it to begin with. Sometimes, depending on the offer, they don't even let you send it in a private message. So it's simpler just to get your link and have it go from have Facebook go to your landing page, then you have your landing page go to your offer. And it's that simple, guys. Super easy. I mean, like I said, at the end of the day, don't be scared to post on your wall, because it is your wall. It is your Facebook. So have something like this. It just normally works out pretty well. Like, training so easy, even a monkey can do it. But the last part right here, want to make 100+ daily, then have a link, and then like the info with a question mark, leave a like. So all the people right here, they're going, oh wow, okay, well, they like the info, so let me check it out. That's why I have like the info, leave a like, or something like that. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for this. You can make an easy $1,000 easy just from this using Facebook. I mean, it's really easy. All you have to do, if you haven't used this software before, you can use it free for 3 days. So I mean, super easy. And then you literally just let it run. You just let it run. But again, I recommend that you fix up your profile and you get your posts with, you know, a lot of engagement and things of that nature, so that when people come over to your post, they come and they see it and they sell themselves. You want people to come to your profile and sell themselves. You want them to, when they message you and they see the message up here, you want them to simply ask you, how do I sign up? How do I start? How do I do what you're doing? And that's it. As you can see right here, it even says $25 right here. So if they're even reading my profile, they're going to simply ask me, what's the website, or how do I get started, or something like that. You know, it's just that simple. Or they're going to simply come right here, copy and paste it, and go to the website and sign up. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. You can easily make $1,000 or plus just with this right here. You know, just this is completely on autopilot, but you know, you do have to set up your Facebook page, you know, to get the best results. But alrighty, thanks for watching.